Hello viewers, in this particular session, we are going to solve some of the problems which might be asked in RBI Assistant exam. And this is set 13. We have already posted 12 videos. If you are not yet watched that video, please watch it. Now let's jump to the first one. What is the first question? Root of 2 power x is equal to 8 square into 10 square divided by 25. So how we can write root of 2 power x? We can write it as 2 power 1 by 2x is equal to, how I can write 8 square in terms of 2? You can write it as 2 power 6 into, so 10 square can be written as 2 square into 5 square divided by 25. Anyway, we know 5 square and 25 will get cancelled. So what is that? Half of x is equal to 6 plus 2, which is 8. So half of x is equal to 8. So value of x will be 16. So answer for this particular question is like 16. Next. Okay, so 0.5 square into 30. So what is 0.5 square into 30? Which is nothing but 7.5. So 7.5 is equal to x minus 348 divided by 24. So this is like how many times? So it is like 14.5 times. Okay, so value of x will be 7.5 plus 14.5, which is 22. Next, a question mark of x, that is 2x plus 486 divided by 27 is equal to 64. Okay, so now if we cancel it, so I think it is like 18 times. Okay, so 2x is equal to 64 minus 18. So 2x equal to 46. So value of x will be 23. Next one. Okay, next one. The average of 8 numbers is 49. So what is the average of 8 numbers? 49. If the average of first 4 number is 45. So average of first 4 numbers is like 45, and average of last 2 number is 48. So last 2 numbers is like 48. What is the average of remaining 2 numbers? Okay, so when let us assume this is the original average 49. When compared with 49, this is how much less? It is like 4 less. For one number, if it is like 4 less, for 4 numbers, it will be like total 16 less. And next, this one, how much it is less? 1 less. For one number, if it is like 1 less, then for 2 numbers, it will be like 2 less. So total minus 18. So if I take, okay, if I want to find the average of the remaining 2 numbers, it should be like 49 plus 18 by 2. So how much it is? So 49 plus 9, answer will be 58. So answer for this particular question is like 58. Next, the difference between downstream and upstream speed of your boat is like 6 km/h. So based on this downstream and upstream distance, you can find speed of water is like 3 km/h, because you know speed of water is equal to half of downstream minus upstream. Okay, next, if the speed of boat in still water is 4 times the speed of the stream. Okay, so boat and water is like 1:4. If this is like 1, 4 will be like speed of boat will be 12 km/h. So in how many hours can the boat cover 45 km downstream? So downstream speed is like water plus boat, which is 15. So 45 by 15, answer will be 3 hours. Okay, next. A shopkeeper gives 25% discount on an article and still earns a profit of 40%. Okay, so let me take this is like marked price, selling price. So how much percent discount? 25% discount. So I can write it as 4:3, and still is getting a profit of how much? 40%. So cost price and selling price will be like 7 and 5. So what will be the ratio of marked price, selling price, and cost price? 28, 21, and 15. If cost price of the article is 750. Okay, so if cost price of article is 750, what discount is given on the article? Okay, so how much discount is given on the article? So 7 part. So here, if 15 equal to 750, 7 is equal to how much? So if I cancel, this is 1 time and this is like 50 times. So 7 into 50, value of x will be 350. So answer for this particular question is 350. Okay, next. Speed of train A and train B are 20 meter per second and 90 km/h respectively. So how I can write 90 km/h in meter per second into 5 by 18, which is 25 meter per second. Both the trains cross each other in 20 seconds while running in opposite direction. So opposite direction in the sense relative speed will be like sum of speed. So 45 into 20. So which is nothing but 900. If length of train A is twice the length of train B, what is the length of train B? So A and B train length is like 2:1 and you need to find what is the length of train B. So this 900 meter is nothing but length of train A and train B, and we need to find the length of train B alone. So into 1 by 3. So this is one time and it is like 300. So value of that is length of train B will be 300 meters. Next, the difference between simple interest earned on rupees 10 at 10% per annum for 3 years. Okay, simple interest 10% per annum for 3 years. So total it will be like 30%, and total compound interest on same sum at 10% per annum in 3 years compounded annually. Okay, so compounded annually 10% per annum for 3 years in the sense 33.1%. Okay, is 186. So what is the difference here? So difference is 3.1%. So this 3.1% is like 186. So what is the value of P? So value of P is like 100%. Okay, so 100% equal to how much? So 186 into 100 by 30, that is 3.1. Okay, so it will be like 60 times. So 60 into 100, what will be the answer? So answer will be 6,000 rupees. So answer for this particular question is 6,000 rupees. So hope you would have liked this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.